Okay, so we are back again with another video. Today we are working on my 2003 Audi A4 Quattro 1.8 turbo, and today we are replacing the PVC valve, positive crankcase valve, which is here, and we are also replacing another PVC valve. We got her taken apart. These are the old two valves. This is the old original, both original Audi pieces that came off the car. And it's kind of hard to see into these, but you can kind of see here. I mean, these are black. The insides of these are absolutely trashed. This has a valve inside of here. This is the new one, and you can see it, kind of see the difference there. Hey guys, just want to give you a follow-up. The car's done. Gonna start it, and hopefully everything is good. There you can kind of take a look. Everything's kind of back together, and we are gonna go start this thing real quick. Head to the back of the car. Stuff in here. Oh yeah, if you haven't seen my car, here's kind of a view of it right here. It's a work in progress, but I tell you what, I drove it 1,100 miles from Washington, and it was a good vehicle. So, and the car is fixed. Pretty happy about this, to be honest. Pretty happy. Yeah, you can see it's not jerking and sputtering anymore. Just don't worry about that. I was loosening bolts for my taking my exhaust off this week, but it runs great now, so we are good. On to more things, probably like fixing this or any of this, but everything's good, and